Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look right here. You guys all requested it, so I wanted to kind of recreate it for you guys. So for the first shadow that I am using is called Paint by Umber, and this one is a MAC eyeshadow. It's a collection they came out with a while back. I have no idea what collection it was, but I'm actually using that shadow all over the lid. So I am using a little big blending fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that to apply that shadow right onto my crease and lid. I actually decided to use this brush because it was big and it would just help me apply the shadow and blend it at the same time. So I kind of was in a hurry because I was actually leaving, so I kind of wanted to film this look, and I'm like, you know what, let me grab this brush and recreate the look. This brush actually helped me apply and blend the shadow quickly, so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm actually doing both eyes. I was really shocked that I actually decided to do that because I usually have one eye done. I've been doing that like for so many years that I'm so used to just having one eye done, and then I just kind of recreate it on the other eye. But I was like, you know, I already know what it looks like, so I'm just going to go ahead and do both eyes on camera. If you guys want a updated brow tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. I'm just using different products now, so I can definitely get a new brow tutorial up for you guys if you guys are interested. So yeah, so I'm basically just applying the color on both eyes, and then I'm just layering that same shadow until I get the pigmentation that I want from that shadow. So yeah, you could leave it like that as if you wanted to. I'm actually gonna go a step forward, and I'm going to apply Cheer Up. This is a Glow Plate blush, and it's kind of like a jelly type of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my lid. Like I said, you don't have to, but I kind of wanted this kind of to be like a pinky, summery, kind of bronzy, orangey, peachy shadow look. So I basically just went ahead and did that, and I really like how the look came out. It looked really nice and fresh and clean, so I was like, you know what, I like it. Alright, so I'm just doing that on both eyes, patting this onto the lid, and I'm just making sure that everything is really nice and blended. As you guys can see, I am taking my time. I decided not to fast forward this video because I wanted you guys to see how long it actually does take me to do my makeup. Even though I did cut some parts off, but still, like, I do take my time to do my makeup and blend everything, make sure that everything's really nice and blended. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Also on my lips, I'm actually using a lip plumper. As you guys can see, I'm cleaning it here. I haven't got my lips done, so I use a lip plumper because it just helps my lips to look like I got my lips done, but I haven't in a while. But yeah, and then I just kind of go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer and, you know, a little bit of powder just so that I can conceal the redness, because when you do use a lip plumper, your lips do tend to go red. Going with the same shadow that I use on the top, I'm going to go on the bottom, so I'm just going to apply that there and then just kind of blend it into the top shadow, and just making sure everything is really nice and blended. That's basically what I am going for, is a really nice blended, you know, look. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara just to prepare my lashes to bond with my falsies. So I basically started doing that. I don't know, I usually change my routine. Sometimes I don't do it, and then sometimes I do. It just depends, I guess, on the phase that I'm going through. Yeah. So yeah, so anyways, I'm just applying this one is actually from Morphe. I still have a discount code with them, PRETTYGRACE, for some money off. If you guys are interested in purchasing from Morphe and getting a discount, you can definitely do that online or in store. Then I'm using a lip liner. This one is called Honeymoon or something like that, from Morphe as well. You can use my code to purchase. I actually went there to get like all the lip pencils they had just to try them out, because I was like, you know what, I need to start using lip pencils, because all I do is apply liquid lipstick and a gloss, and then that's it. So I wanted to try something different. So this color is actually matching with the shadow and the blush. It's kind of like a peachy type, a little bit of darker peachy type, but yeah. So I was like, okay, I like this color, so I decided to apply it all over my lips. I kind of messed up right there, but I was like, you know, I'll fix it up later. All right, so I'm applying these lashes from Bald Face, and they are like a two-tone. I can't find the box for the life of me. I do have 2 boxes here, but I know those boxes are not the one for those lashes. I was having a little trouble applying lashes because my nails were a little too long already. I suck. But I will look the name of the, oh my god, I can't talk, y'all. I will look for the name of the lashes and link them down below for you guys if you guys are interested. They have like a little purpley hue to them. I thought they were really cute. I was actually trying to do my lashes to look a little bit more lifted, so that's why you kind of see them a little bit separated from my lashes. So once I put mascara, they should be like together, but I was kind of just trying to make them look a little bit straight. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this BH Cosmetics called Power Pencil in the color beige. It's really creamy. I don't know if they still sell it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my waterline, and I no longer have a discount code with them. They no longer offer discount codes because I think they're no longer selling. I don't know what. I just received a letter that, I don't know, weird, but I don't want to say anything because I don't want to get in trouble. But I received a letter. I don't know what's going on with BH Cosmetics, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use a mascara, Morphe mascara, and apply it to my bottom lashes just to make them pop a little bit. And I like to take my time because I usually mess that up and then they end up all over the place. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to the false lashes as well. I feel like I didn't put them on right, but whatever. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this new Elf Cosmetics Stain Lip or something like that. I really like the color because it looked like the one that I was wearing, so I was like, you know what, let me just apply a little bit of that. So yeah, this is kind of like the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I was actually going to be moving, and then we decided not to move, so I don't know. So I kind of just need to get my life together and figure things out because I am like out of the loop. I feel like I haven't really got my shit together. I just been all over the place. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.